Today I'm going to show you how to make a summer berries turnover. You will need 375 grams of puff pastry, 400 grams of berries. So I used frozen berries and my mixture was 125 grams of strawberries, 125 grams of blackcurrants, 50 grams of blueberries and 100 grams of redcurrants. You can use whatever fruits that you want in whatever weights that you want, as long as it all weighs up to 400 grams. 50 grams of Demerara sugar, but you also want 1 tablespoon for the topping, 1 tablespoon of cornflour, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and 1 egg. To your saucepan add your fruit, your 50 grams of Demerara sugar, your cornflour and your lemon juice. Give it a really good stir and cook on a medium to low heat for about 10 minutes until the sauce has really thickened. Then you want to roll out your puff pastry and you want to cut it into squares, so each square is going to be half of the size of the turnover. Then simply spoon your fruit filling into the middle. Then, having pre-beaten the egg, you want to egg wash the sides of each of your squares and then fold on a diagonal, just pressing the sides down. And then I use a fork to just crimp the sides just to make it look nice, but it also seals it better. And then you want to egg wash the top of each of your turnovers with the remaining egg. And then with your tablespoon of Demerara sugar, you just want to sprinkle this over the top of each of the turnovers. And then just with a knife, just poke a hole in each of the top of the turnovers. This is going to help the steam escape so then they don't explode in the oven. And then pop in a preheated oven at gas mark 5, 190 degrees centigrade or 170 fan assisted for 25 to 30 minutes until the pastry is nice and golden. And there you have it. That is how you make a summer berries turnover.